that didn't know eating a rainbow could be so powerful. Let's dive in. A colorful diet isn't just about making your meals Instagram-worthy. Each color on your plate represents different nutrients your body craves. Red foods like tomatoes and strawberries are packed with antioxidants boosting your immune system. Orange and yellow foods, think carrots and bananas, are your go-to for better vision and glowing skin. Greens, broccoli and spinach give you iron and calcium, keeping you strong and energized. Don't skip the blues and purples. Blueberries and eggplants are rich in vitamins that support brain health. And let's not forget the whites. Garlic and onions help fight off infections. Incorporating a variety of colorful foods can elevate your energy levels and overall well-being. So next time you're prepping a meal, think of the rainbow. Cheerio, your body will thank you. Unlock vibrant health with a rainbow diet today and feel the difference. Ready to paint your plate? Let's go.